Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good, and I thought of starting a previous year UGC NET question paper discussion series, and the series starting by 2012 December question paper discussion, and I will try to complete the discussion of question paper till 2019, but I excluded reading comprehension and match the following as assertion and reasoning question, and which I will try to discuss separately. So now we can start our 2012 December question paper discussion, and almost all the concept in this paper we discussed through our previous videos. So if you need any clarity regarding the answer, you can watch my previous video. So now we can start the discussion of 2012 December UGC NET social work paper. First one, the structure of social action was propounded by option A, Max Weber, option B, Robert Milton, option C, Talcott Parson, and option D, Radcliffe Brown. Right answer from the option is option C, Talcott Parson. Second one, who propounded the concept conjugal family? Who propounded the concept conjugal family? Right answer is option C, William J. Joad. So, a conjugal family is actually a nuclear family that may consist of a married couple and their children, that can be by birth or adoption, or a couple who are unmarried or underage. Third one, the Government of India adopted the National Policy for Children in the year option A 1975, option B 1974, option C 1963, and option D 1985. The right answer is option B 1974. The fourth question, who proposed client-centered therapy? Option A, Carl Roger, option B, Anna Freud, option C, Paul Goodman, and option D, Adler. Right answer is option A, Carl Roger. Next one, the essential characteristics of research. Option A, description, option B, exploration, and option C, experimentation, and option D, all the above. Right answer is option B, all the above. The essential characteristics of research is description, exploration, and experimentation. Next question, Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act came into being in the year option A 1947, B 1952, C 1986, and D 1991. Right answer option C 1986. Next one, Lok Adalat refers to option A, out of court settlement, option B, decreasing the case load of court for speedy justice, option C, summary trial, and option D, people deciding about their problems. Right answer is option B, decreasing the case load of court for speedy justice. So Lok Adalat refers to decreasing the case load of court for speedy justice. Next one, Charity Organization Society in USA was established in the year option A 1870, option B 1877, option C 1818, and option D 1900. So from the option, right answer is option B 1877. Charity Organization Society in USA was established in 1877. Next question, denotified tribes are option A, ex-criminal tribes, option B, untouchables, option C, wandering communities, and option D, artisans. So the right answer is option A, ex-criminal tribes. Option A, ex-criminal tribes. Next one, who is the author of Pattern of Culture? Who is the author of Pattern of Culture? Right answer option A, Ruth Benedict. Next one, the value of mean, median, and mode are same in the case of option A, normal distribution, option B, skewed distribution, option C, binomial distribution, and option D, abnormal distribution. So the right answer is option A, normal distribution. The value of mean, median, and mode are same in the case of normal distribution. Next one, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment relating to Panchayati Raj came into force in the year option A 1992, option B
1993, option C 1994 and option D 1995. The right answer is option B 1993. 13th one, the formula used to determine intelligence quotient is, right answer is option D, intelligence quotient equal to mental age divided by chronological age into 100, that is IQ equal to MA by CA into 100. Next one, dash refers to the protection of society against crime. Option A, social welfare. Option B, social defense. Option C, social security. And option D, social development. So the right answer is option B, social defense. So social defense refers to the protection of society against crime. Next one, conscience is identified with option A, it, option B, ego, option C, super ego, and option D, all the above. Right answer is option C, super ego. Next one, dash was associated with conscientization model. Option A, M.J. Rose. Option B, Paulo Freire. Option C, H.P. Trucker. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, Paulo Freire. Next one, dash theory propounds that childhood experiences influence the adult behavior. Option A, person-centered theory. Option B, psychoanalytical theory. Option C, behavioral modification theory. And option D, existential theory. So the right answer is option B, psychoanalytical theory. Next one, Gandhiji was associated with number 1, trusteeship, number 2, non-violence, number 3, imperialism, and number 4, truth. So from the code, right answer is option C. So the Gandhiji was associated with trusteeship, non-violence, and truth. 19th question, practice of untouchability is abolished by Indian Constitution under the article. Option A, 17, option B, article 19, option C, article 38, and option D, article 42. So the right answer is option A, article 17. We can move to next question, that is, which is not the principle of experimental design? Option A, principle of replication. Option B, principle of universalization. Option C, principle of randomization. And option D, principle of local control. So the right answer is option B, principle of universalization. Next one, which of the following is not the part of ESI benefits? Option A, sickness benefit. Option B, maternity benefit. Option C, fringe benefit. And option D, medical benefit. So the right answer is option C, fringe benefit. All three are the part of ESI benefit, that is sickness benefit, maternity benefit, and medical benefit are the part of ESI benefits. Moving on to the 22nd question, the best known expert of the problem solving model is option A, Gladstein, option B, Perlman, option C, Mary Richmond, option D, Garrett. So the right answer is option B, Perlman. Next one, the right sequence of the different phase in a post-disaster situations are, here the options are first one relief, second one rehabilitation, third one resettlement, and fourth one rescue. So we have to arrange this phase of post-disaster situation in a proper sequential order. So from the option or from the code, the right answer is option A, which means the first step of the post-disaster situation is rescue, then relief, then resettlement, and last one is rehabilitation. So the right code is from the, right option from the code is option A. Next question, arrange the following steps in research process in a logical sequence. So here the options are first one data collection, second one setting of objective,
third one report writing, and data analysis. So we have to arrange this in a proper sequence. So from this option, the first step can be, the first step is setting of objective, then data collection, then data analysis and report writing. So from the code, right option is option A. Next one, put the data analysis process in sequential order. So here the options are classification, then tabulation, coding, editing. So we have to arrange the data analysis process in a sequential order. So from the code, the right answer is option C, which means the first process in data analysis is like editing, then coding and classification, and last one is tabulation. So from the option, from the code, the right answer is option C. Next one, it's about assertion and reasoning. So here the assertion is interpersonal relationship is the enabling factor to solve the problem of individual through casework process, and reason, establishing professional relationship can help in solving the problem of individuals. So from the given code, the right answer is option C, which means both A and R are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here the right answer is option C. Next one, assertion is sustainable development is a pattern of resource use that aim to meet the human needs while preserving the environment, and reason, it serves the need of present as well as future generation. So here the correct answer is option C. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of assertion, A. So the option C is the right answer. So for the today's last question is assertion. Here the assertion is there is a gap between social policy statement and the development program, and reason is lack of political will and commitment in the formulation and implementation of program. So from the code, right answer is option D. Both A and R are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So the option D is the right answer. So this is our last question from 2012 UGC NET question paper. So as I mentioned before, I excluded reading comprehension, match the following, and assertion and reasoning question, which I will try to do separately. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment below this video, or else you can mail to my mail ID. Thank you.